Hello everybody and welcome to Conk Excel Tutorials. Today we'll be showing you how to make the most out of your Microsoft Office subscription and how to master Excel in less than 2 minutes. There's many video guides out there showing you how to do this, promising it in half an hour, but today I'll show you how to do it in 2 minutes and that's all you need. I'll be showing you the banner at the top. Here you can see me selecting the different options. These are the tabs, you don't really need to use them. Now this is the ribbon underneath. Don't worry about that either. And then you've got tab groups. Clicking on it expands it out a little bit, but mine doesn't because my computer's slow. Let's try a basic calculation. So we always start with our equal sign, and then let's do 1 plus 1. Damn, look at that. Excel says it's 2. I can verify that on the calculator here. Just check in. Yep, and my calculator says it's 2 as well. So that's all good. Let's try another calculation of sorts. Let's fill up a column. Let's fill it with 1s. Whoop, I slipped a little bit, but that's okay. We'll put the 2s in there as well. And I'm going to show you how to add and mix a couple of the columns together. Let's deliberately create an error here. Yeah, look at that. It doesn't make sense. But, you know, Excel doesn't make sense anyway, so we can go and happily get rid of that. These things across the top, we'll call them rows. Actually, no, they're columns. Wait, no, they're rows. These are the columns. Wait, those are the rows. Yeah, anyway, you know, there's the sideways bits and the up bits, numbers and letters. That's a bad cell. You click on it and it makes it bad. So we don't really want that. Change that back. Let's do a simple comparison table here. We'll start with 2 of our favorite beverages, or 1 less so. One's a good beverage, one's a bad beverage. We'll use Excel to try to figure out what type of beverage is the best beverage. All right. So what's appearing here behind my screen capture is it's asking me conditional formatting. And I've realized after recording this that you can't see this. But that's okay. You don't have to see it. It's not like you're learning anything from this anyway. So using conditional formatting, what we'll do is we'll select both of these and we'll get Excel to color the cells red or green, depending on whether or not they're a good or a bad beverage. And Excel being a very, very smart piece of software, it can easily tell green is good, red is bad. You know, it's pretty simple. Doesn't get more easy than that. One final example. Say, for example, we're using conch, and well, we'll just call it beverage in this case, or yeah, how many cans of beverage ducks might drink a day, and how it impacts on the size of ducks. I'll use ducklings because they're cuter. We'll change the size of this to fit the area. We'll put in some random numbers here. We'll try to get some statistics from it. Fun fact about ducks, they have bills. Not beaks, they've got bills. And the bills are used to scoop up liquids. It's a shame they just can't scoop up the liquids from inside of a can. I'm sure we'll get there. I'm sure they'll get there. Alright, so now that we've got these, let's teach you a very important formula in Excel. We're going to take an average of both of these so that we can gauge a rough number of how many cans that a duckling might consume a day on average, and gauge the average size of a duckling that consumes cans of beverage. Now you realize that I've actually formatted this the wrong way, so we'll just grab it in the corner, drag it around. Here we go. We'll start with the equal sign. So this time, we've got equals average. Select the cells that we want, hit enter, and there we go. The average cans of beverage a duck drinks a day. Here we go. Computer crashed. All right, back onto it. We want to work out the size of the ducklings too. So you just drag the formula across and beautiful. There we go. Okay. I think my microphone just died. Okay. So that's just about the end of the tutorial. But what we'll show you is now that you know all these skills, there's one last thing you have to master. Pardon me, I'm inside of a submarine. All right, and then your spreadsheet look like this. Right, so well done passing this Excel tutorial. See, easy formulas. Look, if you paid attention the last minute, you know how to do all of this stuff anyway. It looks really good. You're now a master, and you can go and master this job. Next, we're going to show you how to use VLOOKUP. Be sure to check out the other tutorials that we've got on the channel. Thanks very much.